YouTube live webinars, TikTok live webinars, Facebook live webinars to build your online business. You can do a presentation on these live platforms to engage, to interact on a deeper, more personal level with your market to solve bigger and better pain points. Live video is super essential. I know it can be very scary to actually go live, but this way the market can give you feedback. You are getting comments which you can analyze, review, and actually give solid content and answers to your market's pain point. That is how you can always stay connected, stay relevant to actually solve and show your market. You know what? But I truly care about this pain point. Your market is normally the younger version of you. So this way you can ask questions, you can engage in Q&A questions, whereby you are now analyzing and knowing and actually understanding your market's pain point so that you can generate leads and convert that leads into paying customers. Always remember, live webinars can help you to build your business, to build your brand. People can subscribe. And the more you are showing up on live webinars, you are building that resilience, that burning confidence to actually present to 1,000 people. You can train on a live webinar when you start mastering the skill set of being disciplined and fully focused to solve your market's pain point.